The presence of doctor is the beginning of the cure. To honor the work and to recognize the importance of doctor and to bring awareness, we celebrate in India Doctors' Day on July 1st. The objective is to acknowledge the contribution of doctors' human service to mankind.
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं, पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ।
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी अब हमारे हाथ है।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं। हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
Doctors who dedicate their lives to healing the sick and comforting the suffering. They are instruments of your healing power, serving with compassion, wisdom and patience. Bless them abundantly for their tireless efforts. We ask you to be with them, strengthen them in their mission and grant them good health and peace of mind.
Hi Rahul. Hi Maya. Another Doctor's Day assembly? They just tell us to eat our meats and go bed early. My grandma does it for free.
Yeah, and my doctors always make me take weird tasting syrup. I bet they just enjoy making us suffer.
Job is just about making you feel suffer.
Oh, believe me, if we wanted to make you people suffer, we'd make you listen to my terrible singing for an hour. Much more effective than syrup.
Oh no, offense. But what do you do really?
Like all day along?
Well, let's show you. Dr. Rohit, ready for your morning rounds?
Always ready, Dr. Anya, even if it means dealing with the banana bandit.
Doctor, I'm so worried about Arjun. He has a fever and terrible cough and is absolutely terrified of injections.
No needle, no ouchie. It hurts a lot. Hello, brave little man. My name is Dr. Anya. We're not going to do anything too scary, okay? We're just going to make you feel better. Can you show me your teddy? Oh my goodness, your teddy has a strong heart. How about we check your superpower lungs? Just a little breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You're doing it great.
Did you know if you make a silly face while I count to 3, all the germs get scared and run away? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All done, brave boy. It was just a tickle to make that germs pack their bag. Here is a yummy banana for being so good.
Thank you, doctors. You made it so easy and fun. You're my superheroes, and now I'm not scared of needles.
Thank you, doctors. You have no idea how much this means. He usually throws a huge tantrum. Have a fabulous day.
Wow, that was clever. They're like health magicians.
Wait, little granny. Let me help you. Thank you, my dear. Oh, hello, doctors. I've come for my checkup. Now, what was I supposed to ask you again? Something about my. Oh dear, it completely slipped from my mind.
Good morning, Grandma Sita. No worries at all. Let me see your chart first. It says here that you are worried about your knee pain and your cat mittens, right?
Mittens? Yes, she's been looking very grumpy lately. Is it contagious? No, Grandma Sita. Cat grumpiness isn't contagious. Well, let's check that knee. Then we can make a healthy diet for you and your mittens. Perhaps a less special tuna casserole for you. You both are angels. Always so patient with an old lady like me. You made me feel so much better just by listening.
Do they listen? Don't they? Even to the little things.
And they remember everything. I barely remember my homework sometimes.
Doctor, we have an emergency. A child just collapsed outside.
What's the situation?
On my way.
The doctors arrived just in time. They stabilized the child, looked like they'll be okay.
Phew, that was close. Good thing we were there.
Every second counts in an emergency. That's why we train so hard to be ready for anything.
You see, doctors aren't just there for cuffs and sniffles. They are on the front lines day in and day out, facing challenges we can barely imagine.
I never thought about like that. It's not just medicines, it's about the care and courage that every doctor gives to the patient and treat them as their own ones.
And being super smart.
We take an oath to serve, to care, and to put our patients first. It's a demanding job, but it's incredibly rewarding.
We work long hours, we miss family dinners, and sometimes we even get spit upon. But seeing a patient get better and seeing a worried parent smile, that makes it all worth it.
Sorry, doctors, for not understanding your value. You are a great superheroes.
So then, let's give a huge round of applause for all the doctors out there.
Yes, doing good physical activities throughout day is very important that we maintain good physical health. Physical health means physically we are healthy. We are able to do all our daily routines on our own without the support of anyone else. And what is being by mental health is we have to be mentally very healthy. Like people who suffer from life-threatening diseases like cancer or any other diseases or kidney diseases, they have to be mentally healthy. Then only the body will respond positively. So it is very important that we all remain positive mentally. We should not get disturbed by what other people say, or there will be so many things daily we go through, like our batchmates say something and we really get disturbed and we don't do all the routine work properly. So it's very important you don't get disturbed by what others are saying. You all should concentrate on studying well, taking care of your parents, taking care of elders, and remain mentally healthy. And the last thing is, we have to be socially healthy also. What do you mean by socially healthy? Anyone? What is social health? Yes, we all have born with one intention that we should do something good for society. And doctors are in a very good place to do something good for society by maintaining or helping people to maintain good health. But social health also means you all have a good surrounding. I mean, you have good friends. Okay. I request all the children through this platform that you all choose your friends very carefully. Like as you go to professional courses, I'm sure you will meet lot of bad friends also. But I want you all to select only good friends and build a very good social group so that you all can think in a very good and positive manner and try to do something good for society.